Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Pixel 6 Pro and let me share with you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list and find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Now let's tap on this big button Edit Contact and pick this camera icon right in the middle. And as you can see, our device gives us the opportunity to pick either to take a photo or choose a photo. So after picking take a photo, your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose a photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option. Right now we've got the album, so simply find the photo you'd like to use and tap on it. Let's tap on Got It, and as you can see, from this step we can adjust the size of this square, we can change the position of the photo, we can zoom it in or out, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because this area is responsible for it. Here we can also rotate the picture, so it's up to you how you want to set it. And if you're happy with the result, just tap on Done. As you can see, it has been applied to this circle in the middle with the camera, so remember to tap on Save, it's very important. And as you can see, the photo has been immediately applied. After getting back, you can see it on the contact list, and you will be able to see it whilst all incoming calls or text messages from that number. So actually this is it. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your Pixel 6 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if this was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.